Hey guys, so today I just have a quick little recipe for you. I'm going to show you what I actually make for breakfast pretty much every day using the ceramic egg cooker. So this guy is actually really great for just doing quick breakfasts. You can cook eggs in it in the microwave, or what we're making today is oatmeal. So we're just going to start off with half a banana. I'm going to throw it in there and just mash it up quickly with a fork. And I'm going to add in half a cup of oats, half a cup of milk. Going to mix that all up. And I really like to add about a teaspoon of cocoa to make it nice and chocolatey. And then once that's mixed in, I usually add a big dollop of peanut butter. Today this is about 2 teaspoons. And I just like to put that right in the middle, and I don't stir it in. And then for this recipe, we're actually not going to use the lid. We're just going to pop this in the microwave for about 2 minutes. Alright, here we are. And be careful because it will be hot. Yeah, but in like under 5 minutes, it's a breakfast that's fairly healthy and pretty filling for most of the day. So here you go.